Hi, I'm architect Monica Khosla Bhargava, founder and principal architect of Khum Consultants, an architecture and interior design firm. Today I'm addressing a common dilemma that people face while making their houses, whether to use marble or to choose tiles, and where to use them. If you're interested in knowing more about the pros and cons of different building materials, then go ahead and smash the subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell to stay informed when a new video is out. We discuss these topics often on this channel, so it's definitely going to be worth your time. Now, a couple of decades ago, this question of choice would not have troubled anyone because there was no choice. The options were limited. Marble or mosaic would have been used for the house floors and ceramic tiles for the bathrooms and kitchen. You can see this even now if you visit or live in an older house. But then there was this revolution in the tile industry about 2 decades ago, which looked at addressing some of the disadvantages which traditional surfacing with marble was facing. India is home to a wide variety of marbles and also houses one of the largest tile industries in the world. So here are 10 points of looking at the advantages and disadvantages of working with these two materials and how I use them in my project. Usually I always start with design, but today let's start with price, which is always a defining factor in most projects. In the 90s, I was working on a commercial office building. We had suggested 2 feet by 2 feet vitrified tiles for the floor. The client wanted to use the same sized marble. Both were costing around 50 rupees a square feet. Now we were suggesting tiles because marble at the same price has greater veins, it doesn't retain shine and is weaker and more porous. Then again, add to that the cost of wastage, labor, underbedding materials and polish, and marble works out far more expensive. The client, however, felt that even if the quality of marble isn't great, it is far more valuable to a project than good quality tiles. But that's not the case today. There is a definite change in perception. Statuario marble costs around 2000 rupees a square feet, and people are happy to use statuario tiles at just 1/10 the price. But don't let this make you think that tiles are cheap. A whole lot of high fashion brands like Versace and Roberto Cavalli, they also create tiles, and these are by no means inexpensive. It's all about thinking about where you are getting your value for money, so let's be smart customers. Now let's move to the aspect of color. Choosing the statuario marble or tile sets the color tone of the room as grey and white. And if you use a Botticino or any of the beige tone marbles or tiles, then obviously the room shifts to a warmer tone. Marble, being a natural resource, offers limited colors, all obviously in the earth tones. Some colors like the ocean blue, which we use in swimming pool tiles. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm inserting a picture here. It's just not available in marble. So a definite advantage of working with tiles are the infinite choices of color that are available to us. Again, tiles, they hold an edge over marble as they're available in a variety of textures, including marble. You can get tiles which are textured like stone, wood, glass, ceramic, leather, any of these choices. Another key issue that tiles address are porosity. Marbles are porous and prone to stains. This issue can be addressed, of course, by using a protector coat over the marble, but for heavy duty areas like kitchen where spillage is common, where we use haldi or turmeric, it's best to go ahead with the tile. Now I know some people love using marble in their kitchens, so go ahead, but don't forget that protector coat. Now, when I was a child, let's say 4 or 5 decades ago, and there's no need to guess how old I am in the comments. Tiles were about say 4 inch by 4 inch in size. Then this moved to the 8 inch by 12 inch size, and now tiles are available as large as 10 feet by 3 feet. So the large slab advantage, which marble slabs traditionally had over tiles, has been countered by the tile industry. Also, these tiles are as slim as 3 or 4 millimeter and that makes it really a lightweight material when we use it on building facade exteriors or in interiors as wardrobe shutters or kitchen shutters. Another aspect where tiles score high is strength. You can check the load bearing capacity of a tile, which is always mentioned in the technical specifications of the catalog, especially if you're going to use it for heavy duty areas like driveways or industrial floors. You just cannot use marble on a driveway or in areas which are exposed to sunlight as it develops crack. Combine these with the ease of application and ease of handling, and it makes tiles a very friendly product to work with. Tiles, they come sized and calibrated, and they can be easily fixed with adhesives. On the other hand, fixing of marble is a skilled and labor intensive job. So then, why should we be using marble at all? One important reason is the pattern of the marble. Marble is a natural product and its veins are part of its character. No two slabs are the same. On the other hand, tile is an industrial product and there may be just 4 to 6 variations of a design which are available. So if you're using it in a small area, it works well. But let's say you're going to lay it out in a big hall, then the repetitive pattern of the tiles, it may look potentially very monotonous. Another practical advantage that marble retains over tiles are its joints and edges. You can get an extremely seamless, smooth surface by creating very precise joints by using marble, and when you polish it, you can get a smooth surface and which takes care of any of the bends or undulations. Again, edges can be molded in marble, which makes it an excellent material to use in staircases and skirtings. Now, how do we resolve these issues in tiles? One way, of course, is to use joint spacers and fill them up with grouts. This way, one can even resolve slight variations that there may be in size or the undulations. As far as staircases are concerned, I honestly haven't found an ideal product from the tile industry yet. Some products are available with the edges of the staircase tread molded, but then they are few and in limited sizes. And then again, there's nothing available to take care of the winders or the steps in a spiral staircase. So, till something comes along in the tile industry, I recommend that you stick to using marble on the staircases. Now, the tile industry is a fashion industry. It keeps reinventing itself, and what you use today is outdated tomorrow. On the other hand, marble is a timeless classic. It can be repolished and renewed to last you forever. So check what suits you and go for it. And if you have any doubts or questions regarding these two materials, then let me know in the comments and I shall surely get back to you. See you next time. Oh, this one's really heavy. Oof, it's so slim. Is the thickness even showing?